Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Koch, and right now I'm going to go over how to use our second Greek gods database, Ancient and Medieval World. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and click on this Cavendish Square Ancient and Medieval World database link. And once you do that, it will open up this document. The username is Fairfax, and the password is listed in that document spreadsheet. So go ahead and please type in that username and password and go ahead and log into the database. And then the thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and right up here, type in your Greek god or goddess's name. So for the example, I'm looking up at the Norse god Odin. So I'm going to type in Odin. You would type in your god or goddess's name. And then it's the first hit. It probably will be for you as well. And there are a few things that I'd like to point out here. So the first thing is, if you would benefit from a translation, you can read the article in your first language first. So if you'd like to translate it into Spanish, you may do so. If you'd like to turn it back to English, you go ahead at the top and you can translate the article. The other thing that's really important you can listen to the article if you prefer to have it read to you while you're taking notes. And then this article has a lot of different sections, so please make sure that you're paying attention to that. It also has a glossary, so like if I'm interested in Odin and Thor's relationship or limits of knowledge, quest for wisdom, I can go ahead and click on those sections and go straight to that piece of information. Another thing that's very important is you will be asked to cite this source. So the citation is kind of a flag to your reader to say, hey, my information I didn't just make up. And that citation is going to be at the very bottom of each article. So you want to get the first one, MLA is the citation format that we use. And you're going to highlight this and then go back into your document and it'll ask you where to put that. So I am now doing citation 2. So one group mate would pick one article and the other would pick another. So, and then when I take notes on that, I can go ahead and put which source number did this info come from? I would just put 2 if that information came from this source. Okay, so let's go ahead and get working. Please email me if you have any questions or ask in class.